Let's do this.
Guy, where did you go? No be you are the ask.
What does it look like?
Class, Abi.
Oh, shrine.
You won't go Jack.
Guy, I know they asked me stupid question. Of course, I'm going to class to read.
Now for you. But this is supposed to be a lecture-free week.
So?
So, you don't need to go to class.
Guy, lecture-free week is for reading towards exam. That comes up in a week's time.
I know what lecture-free week is, over Sabi. My point is, why can't you read here in the hostel? But this is a very quiet place now.
Quiet. Your snoring alone is louder than a siren.
Okay, I won't sleep this night. And I even slept long this afternoon. So look, I won't sleep this night. Like I'll be awake all through.
See this one. You always sleep.
Okay, see. If I happen to snore, just simply tap me. I go adjust. It's not that difficult now.
No, I prefer class. See. CHM 102 is coming. And that note is plenty.
Ogbeni, leave that thing. Something that I can read under 2 days. Just like that. Like.
Are you sorry? Bye. See you later.
Yeah, serious. Sorry. Fiku.
I beg you. Let's do this.
See this small guy, this woman even sold himself. Stingy nonsense. Okay. You, well done now. You just want to make me come serious, Abi. Well done.
It's not about you. Me too. Are you sure you read anything yesterday?
See, I'll read in the hostel. It's just 4 days to go. I'll be fine.
Are you sure you don't want to join me to read with most of our classmates? Because we are doing past questions from like 10 years.
Look, see, don't mention past questions around me. Those things scare me. They scare me. I beg, leave past questions. I'll do marathon reading. I'll be fine. Serious. I beg, free me.
CHM doesn't work that way. Oh.
This is something I aced in first semester, and I can do it again. Forget. No worries, say. Leave that thing, say. I beg, your word.
You say so. I'm going.
Okay, bye-bye.
Good luck.
Yeah, this rice makes sense, so can't come and kill myself. I should have bought more self. See the meat self, small, but I just change.
How is it going?
Me?
Yeah.
It's not going anywhere, but like I got this covered. Like I'll get to it soon. Me. Like I'll any which way. Like I have this. I got this.
You can revise together. Oh. That might help, you know.
No. See, I'll revise with you when I'm done studying for myself. Okay.
Okay. But you know exam is 8 a.m. tomorrow, right?
Guy, I know.
So hurry up so we can revise.
I said I know now. Relax. You're not my mommy. I got this. Mind your own.
Okay.
See,
Okay.
Concentration. Okay. This is your concentration.
Guy, get up. It's 7:30. Eh? Get up. It's 7:30.
7.
We don't have time for all this. Go and freshen up. Let's go. Go and freshen up or we'll be late.
Freshen. No. Okay, there's no need to freshen up. See, I'll go like this, then I'll go like this, and then there's still one thing I need to read, and then I'll be fine.
What's the molecular
Hey,
formula?
shush. Don't try it. Don't. See, it's already there, my hair. I don't want to make it drop. It must not drop. So don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Just leave me. Try it over again.
Shina. How did you go? Man, did you see that compulsory question? Eh? Guy, that question has so many children. And grandchildren. Mo, thank God I read that part. Baba, what's happening now?
Guy, I didn't even answer that question. In fact, I didn't answer any compulsory question.
But I told you to read now. Yeah? I told you to read. I was going for class.
Bature, I don't do that. Don't.
But I told you to read. I told you to read.
I'm going to fail this course, and that's what you can see.
Hi. Sorry, eh?
Thanks for watching that episode of This is Drama. I hope you learned something from that drama. There is a saying that a stitch in time saves 9 and procrastination steals time. Whatever you plan to do, start doing it now, because there is no better time to start your project, to start your career, to start that building you want to start that business you want to start reading for that examination, to start whatever you want to start. That time is now, because a stitch in time saves 9. Don't procrastinate, start now. See you next Monday with another episode of This is Drama, and don't forget to come back to this channel on Friday for the Caretaker series and on Saturday for Mr. Lawansing Family Show. See you next Monday with This is